Welcome to Insider Medicine In Depth. I'm Dr. Susan Sharma. The results of a controlled clinical trial cannot always predict how people with asthma will respond to therapy in a real-world setting, according to research published in the New England Journal of Medicine. Signs that your asthma is not fully controlled with the medication you are taking include having asthma symptoms during the day or night, the need to use your quick-relief rescue inhaler more than twice a week, and peak flow rates of less than 80% of your normal. Researchers from the University of Aberdeen conducted 2 studies in a real-world setting to determine whether drugs known as leukotriene-receptor antagonists are as helpful for controlling problem asthma symptoms as other more conventional drugs. In the first study, over 300 patients whose quality of life was impaired because of their asthma symptoms, despite treatment, received either a leukotriene-receptor antagonist or an inhaled steroid. In the second study, a similar group of over 350 patients received a leukotriene-receptor antagonist or a long-acting beta-2 agonist as an add-on to inhaled steroid therapy. Both trials lasted for 2 years. By 2 months, statistical analysis determined that the leukotriene-receptor antagonist therapy was as effective as the 2 approaches at 2 months, but it remained unclear whether this therapy remained similarly effective through the end of the 2-year cycle. According to today's research, it remains unclear whether leukotriene-receptor antagonists are as beneficial as inhaled steroids or long-acting beta-2 agonists added to inhaled steroids for uncontrolled asthma. Another important implication, however, is that it is not always clearly possible to generalize the results of a controlled clinical trial to the larger population, which is typically more diverse and not always treated according to a firm protocol. For Insider Medicine In Depth, I'm Dr. Susan Sharma.